Hello, here today we are going to do some division. Your target here is to use multiplication and subtraction to divide. So we have 84, we have 84 divided by 6. That means we want to know how many groups of 6. How many groups of 6 makes 84. Or we can think of this as 6 times what equals 84. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across here. So 6, it's how many rows of 6? 6 times what? And one way to do this is to, you may have seen this symbol before. So this means 84 divided by 6. It's kind of weird because the 6 comes first. I'm going to draw a line down the side to keep track of what I'm doing here. And we are going to be subtracting groups of 6, right? And we could just subtract 6's all the way down, right? 6 is one group of 6. Let's see, this is 8, and that became a 7, so 78. That's going pretty slow. I did get rid of one group of 6 there, but there's still a whole lot left. It seems like a bigger chunk would be easier. Now, an easy multiplication problem is 6 times 10, right? So what if we did 10 groups of 6? 10 groups of 6 would be 60. 10 groups of 6, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 of those groups of 6 is gone. And what do we have left? We have 18 left. So far we've used 11 groups of 6, but we've still got quite a few more. Looks like I've got 3 to get rid of, and 3 groups of 6. 3 groups of 6 is 18. So I subtract that. I've got none left. You can see in my picture I've crossed them all off. So altogether now I've done 10 groups, 1 group, and 3 groups. That is 14 groups. So 6 times 14 is 84. 84 divided by 6 is 14. How many groups of 6 makes 84? 14 groups. Okay, there are 14 of these rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, that's what division means. Let's do one more practice. Here we have 76 divided by 4. So we are thinking 4 times what equals 76. How many groups of 4? How many groups of 4? And I'm going to draw that division shape, and I'm going to make it long. Hey, it looks like a great big 7, doesn't it? So I'm putting the 76 here underneath. It's weird that the 4 comes first, but what these two things mean exactly the same thing. And actually, they also mean 4 times what is 76. So groups of 4. And we saw in the last one that taking away one at a time is way too, it takes too long. So what about 10? I like using 10 because 10 it's easy to do, and if 10 will fit. I know 10 times 4 equals 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got rid of 10 of those groups. And I've got 36 left. So that means there's 36 left down here. That's less than 40. I can't use another 10, but it's almost 40. You may realize that it is just 4 less than 40. It's one less group of 4, which means I could do 9 groups of 4, because 9 times 4 is 36. Here's where knowing your math facts really helps. So 9 more groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups. I got rid of all of those groups of 4. I've got none left over, both in my picture and in my subtraction over here. I used a total of, I used 10 groups and 9 groups. That would make 19 groups of 4 equals 76. So 4 times 19 equals 76. 76 divided by 4 equals 19. And when you see this shape here, usually you put the answer right up there, 19. So there you go. That's how you can use multiplication and subtraction to figure out division problems.